Hey, what's going on, guys? Danny here with you. In this video, we're going to talk about a big potential breakout for Shiba Inu coming up here in the very near future. We'll go over different price targets for the bullish and bearish sides. And as always, this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All right, so as you see over here on our right now on our 15-minute chart, as you can see throughout the day, we have been descending downward right here and consolidating. We actually have had a couple a couple bounces right here off of our trend line over here on our falling wedge, and we are currently retesting our trend line right here on our long pennant pattern, and we'll see how this does play out. But potentially, we could, if we do break this line, we could be heading down to the 0.618 area right here on our Fibonacci. That is around the 5091 area. But hopefully we do hold right here and then can get a breakout right here. And of course, if we do break out of this line, this will actually break out all of our patterns to the upside. That would be a huge bullish sign. But let's go over here. I want to check out a couple patterns that we do have in play right now. All right, so I know we did cover this the other day, but right now we are in a couple different patterns. So let me delete this out of here. All right, so currently we still have the descending triangle in play. That is right here in blue. So all the way from up here, we do have a descending triangle right here. And also we do have a large pennant pattern right here, as you see, all the way through here. This is the black trend line that goes all the way up through there. And also there's a secondary pennant pattern right here that also goes up through here. So we'll have to see long-term how this does play out. Let me go back over here to the 15-minute chart. All right, so we have maybe an hour or so, actually a couple of hours before we do decide on which direction we're going to break out of here. Of course, if we break out of here, that'll be very bullish. We actually break all of the patterns to the upside. And of course, if we do break down here, I think our target would be the 0.618. Again, that is around the 5091 area. And that would most likely line up with this pennant pattern right there. And then again, if we do break that, we'll most likely head down to the 0.78 right there. And that is around the 4705. And then our very bottom of the triangle would be down here around the 4371. I don't think we'll go that low, but of course, that is the very bottom of our descending triangle. And right now, since we are still right above our trend line right here, we still do have our falling wedge in play from the other day. So this was our falling wedge. And our pattern, our target would be initially right up here at the top of our pennant pattern, or excuse me, right at the top of our falling wedge, which is the 6550 area right there. And ultimately, if it fully does play out, we will be looking for the 6667 area. And if we are able to get through that area, then our next target would be here at the 7108. That is at the 0.27 Fibonacci. And then ultimately, that would be 7898 for our 0.618 area on the Fibonacci if we continue to break to the upside. All right, and again, let's head over to our, check out our RSIs. All right, so right now our RSI is sitting right around the 437 area. As you see right here, we did have this is where we did get our bounce. Hopefully we will actually respect this trend line and continue the upside and, potentially break out bullish out of here. Our stochastic has come all the way down. Hopefully we will start seeing this come back up here very shortly and continue to get this bounce out of there. All right, over here on the hourly chart, we are sitting right around the 40. As you see, this is our trend line right here that goes all the way up through there as well. And hopefully we will continue to respect this and continue to bounce right through there and then break bullish. Our stochastic is coming back down right now for a little bit. If we do get a bounce right here off of our trend line, we should start seeing this curve back to the upside. If not, we will probably head a little bit back down here and do a full correction, in which if we do fully correct, we'll probably come back down and hit our 0.618 right here on our price chart. And over here on our 4-hourly, our RSI currently is sitting around the 43 area. Our stochastic is coming back down. We are right around the 27 area. We do have a little ways to go, a couple more hours before we see what will happen and play out right here. Hopefully we'll get a bounce right here and then head back to the upside. If not, we will come back down here. And if that's the case, we'll probably, again, break these levels and come down and meet our 0.618. And if we do break that, we'll come back down to the 0.78 area right there on our Fibonacci. And over here on our daily chart, our RSI currently is sitting around the 54 area. Our stochastic is still way oversold right here. Next couple of days, we should start seeing this come back up. Again, short term, we'll have to see how our pattern plays out here within the next couple hours or a day or so. And head back over to a 15-minute chart. All right, so currently we still are getting a bounce right here. Again, we only have a couple hours left before we are forced to either break bullish or if we do break bearish. Again, just to reiterate, if we do break this trend line, our next target would be right here at the 0.618, which would fairly line up around this area. And hopefully we hold this pennant pattern and then get a break right here. And we'll break all of the bullish targets right here and head to the upside. And then if we break bearish down here, our next target would be at the 0.78. Again, that is around this 47.05 area. And then just a really quick long term, let's get some targets for us. Let me delete that one out of here. All right, so again, we do have the descending triangle right here. Could potentially play out. We can actually grab a target for that. We can go from the top of our descending triangle down to the base right here. And we can pull that up here to a breakout area. We'll just go right here for now, so somewhere around there. That would put us right around the 96.69 area. Let's see if we move it up here. That would put us around the 97.50 area. And a little bit more down, that would put us around the 94. So we're looking anywhere for like the 94 to 97 area for a target. And that would put us fairly close. If we do get up here, then most likely we'll hit the 0.27 right here on our long-term Fibonacci chart. That is around the 10,354 area. And of course, the next target after that would be the 0.618, that's the 12,445 area. All right, and again, since this is a possible pennant pattern as well, we can actually get a target for that. Let's delete this out of here. And we can come all the way from the top of our pennant down to where actually we began our breakout on our bull run right there. This would be a good target to grab. All right, and bring this out here. So anywhere around here. All right, so that does put us right above our 0.27, right in the middle of our 0.27, 0.618 area. So we have a range right here. We could be from the 10,769 area all the way up to the 12,000 area. So probably within this range would be our target area. But again, I appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to just watch this video. We are very close to getting a breakout here in the next couple hours. And in the morning, I will try to make a quick video depending on if we do have a breakout yet. But we will see how this does play out. And as always, please make sure you do like and subscribe. I will try to keep you guys updated. And make sure you do go over and follow me on Twitter. You can find me over at Only Crypto Cycle. I will be doing tweets throughout the day, doing some updates. And again, that is at Only Crypto Cycle. And again, please make sure you do like and subscribe. And I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I hope you guys have a good evening. And I'll see you next video. All right, thanks. Take care.